Hello everyone, welcome back to Best English Channel. I'm Hannah, and today we are checking into luxury.
Hi Hannah. Hi everyone. I am Lucas, and I am very, very tired.
Oh no, long trip?
12 hours. 12 long hours. I had 2 airplanes, 1 bus, and 1 very small sandwich.
That is a long journey.
I just want a bed. A big bed. With many pillows.
I understand, but first, you must check in.
I can't just lie down in the lobby.
No, Lucas, the receptionist might not like that.
Okay. But I get nervous at hotels.
Why?
What if I say my name wrong? What if I get the wrong room? What if I ask for a room with a view and they give me a room with a view of the trash cans?
That would be a bad view.
Very bad.
Don't worry. Today we will practice confirming your reservation. We will practice asking for special requests. We will practice asking about breakfast. We will practice using hotel services. And we will practice checking out correctly.
Step by step.
Step by step.
Good. My brain is also checking in slowly.
Before we get our room keys, please click the like button.
And subscribe to Best English Channel.
It helps our channel grow.
And it helps your English level grow.
Share this episode with your travel friends.
Or your friend who always forgets their reservation email.
That is very important.
Okay, Hannah. I see the front desk. I'm walking forward.
You walk up to the desk. The receptionist smiles and says, "Hello, welcome. Are you checking in?"
I say, yes.
Better. Yes, I have a reservation under the name Lucas.
I have a reservation under the name Lucas.
Very good. Repeat after me. Reservation.
Reservation.
That means you booked the room before.
What if I didn't book a room?
Then you ask, do you have any rooms available?
Available means free.
Exactly.
But today, I have a reservation.
Good, the receptionist will say. May I see your ID and a credit card, please?
I give them my passport.
Yes. Sometimes they also ask for your signature.
I sign a paper.
Or they may ask you to fill out a form.
Fill out means write information.
Correct. For example, your address, your phone number, your email.
What if I want a quiet room?
Just ask.
Can I have a quiet room, please?
Perfect.
What if I want a high floor?
Say, is it possible to have a room on a high floor?
I like high floors. Good view, less noise.
Very smart.
That's important.
Now the receptionist gives you your key card.
It looks like a credit card.
Yes. They say, you are in room 508. The elevator is on your left.
Room 508, 5th floor.
Good listening.
What if I don't understand?
Ask. Could you repeat that, please?
That's polite.
Yes. Very important phrase.
How do I use the key card?
You tap it on the door lock.
Tap means touch quickly.
Yes.
What if it doesn't work?
Go back and say, my key card isn't working.
Calm voice, not angry voice.
Always calm.
Before I go upstairs, I have an important question.
Let me guess. Breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is very important.
Ask, what time is breakfast served?
Served means given.
Yes.
And is breakfast included in the price?
Good.
If they say included, that means free?
Yes, already paid for.
What if it's not included?
Then you pay extra.
I hope it is included.
You can also ask, where is the restaurant? What time does the restaurant close?
What about Wi-Fi?
Ask, what is the Wi-Fi password?
Or, is the Wi-Fi free?
Perfect.
I also want to look strong.
Then ask, where is the fitness center?
Fitness center means gym.
Yes.
And the pool?
Ask, is the pool open today?
What if I need extra towels?
Say, could I have some extra towels, please?
Extra pillow?
Could I have an extra pillow?
Air conditioning too cold?
The air conditioning is too cold. Could you help me?
Wow, I feel powerful now.
You are a hotel expert.
My suitcase is very heavy.
Because of the sweaters?
Maybe.
You can ask for help.
How?
Say, could someone help me with my bags, please?
Who helps?
A bellhop or a porter.
Porter. New word.
That person carries your luggage.
I like that person already. What if something is wrong in my room?
Good question.
For example, no hot water.
Say, there is no hot water in my room.
TV not working?
The TV isn't working.
Too noisy?
It's very noisy. Could I change rooms?
Change rooms. Good phrase.
Always be polite.
Smile, even if I'm tired.
Yes.
Vacation is over. I'm sad.
Time to check out.
I go to the desk and say, I'd like to check out, please.
Perfect. Did you use the minibar?
The minibar. That tiny fridge with expensive snacks.
Yes.
If I didn't eat anything, I say, no, I didn't use the minibar.
Very good.
Do I return the key card?
Yes. Give it back.
Then I pay?
If you have extra charges, yes.
Then I say, thank you for a lovely stay.
Perfect sentence.
I feel like a VIP traveler now.
You are ready for any hotel in the world.
Except maybe a 5-star hotel with gold elevators.
Even that one.
Listeners, I hope you feel more confident now.
Practice these sentences before your next trip.
Speak slowly. Speak clearly.
And remember, being polite is very important.
Keep practicing, keep talking.
And keep being awesome.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.